third run up here.
We tried the speed key now. Speed key.
Okay, yes, perfect. We're gonna try the speed key on the Bugatti. There's an extra set of keys.
Yeah.
That you can activate, and that's when the car does more than 400. But it's quite sensitive, the system, because if you...
So it doesn't do that, just...
No, I mean, it's full power right now.
Okay.
It is, without this top speed key, but we're doing the top speed key just for the YouTube watchers, because some of them are skeptics that if we don't use this top speed key, they don't think that the Bugatti is using full power.
Right.
But it is. It's only a limit up to 375 kilometers per hour if you don't use the top speed key. But
why would you like to have that limit?
It's because Bugatti choose to have that, I think, because of safety reasons, that you can only do the top speed above 400 kilometers per hour with the top speed key activated, but on a safe location.
Okay.
Yeah.
As if you would have noticed that you were doing 400.
Yeah. That's it. Yeah. So if you just move the steering a little bit too much, then it shuts down the top speed.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So it's a really sensitive system. Okay. Agera R versus the Bugatti Vitesse. Now we have the top speed key in the Bugatti. Can use how many top speed keys it needs. I mean, that it wants. Bugatti had its top speed key activated at this race, but it seemed like it didn't get too much more power.
Actually less.
Yeah, it looks like it took away.
Or the tires are getting a little bit...
Yeah, worn up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's do the second run with the top speed key in the Bugatti activated. A rolling start from 50 kilometers per hour. Agera R versus the Bugatti Vitesse. Yeah, man! That's what I'm talking about. That's the race. That was beautiful. I mean, Bugatti can use how many top speed keys they want. They ain't gonna beat this, baby. let's do it. I mean, we could do this all day with this car.
Yeah. I would have to refuel at some point.
Oh yeah, it runs on fuel. I forgot that. It feels like a spaceship, you know, like we're doing warp speed.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, so this is the Agera R versus the Bugatti Vitesse. It's a rolling start from 50 kilometers per hour. We have a beautiful day here in Sweden. What an acceleration!